What is up friend, this is Tino's channel, and in this video we will fix Samsung Galaxy A72 video call not working problem. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's start off video without wasting any time. So to fix Samsung Galaxy A72 video call not working issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.